Happy Friday. I'm here with block 12. Yes, it's Friday, so it's block 12 of June Mini Madness. So today's block is, as you can see, it's bigger. I'm doing the 6.5 inch block today, and this is the Snowball variation. So as you can see, we've got our half square triangles and our square, just like the friendship star, but they're in a different orientation. So that makes this nice O in the center. And I've also seen this called an O block. So for the cutting, for the 6.5 inch block, 6-inch finished, you will need two 2 7/8 inch squares of your colored fabric cut in half diagonally to make 4 triangles, and one 2.5 inch square for the center. From your background fabric, you'll need two 7 1/8 inch, two 2 7/8 inch squares cut in half diagonally to make 4 triangles. That is hard to say. It's like she sells seashells. So 2 7/8 inch squares cut into triangles. You'll need 2 of them to make 4 triangles, and you'll need 4 2.5 inch squares for your background for the body of the block. So we'll start by sewing these triangles together. Don't you just love this fabric? It looks like scales. This was from a catalog quilt I did for Island Boutique. Can't remember the name of the fabric line offhand. Something to do with something tropical. Tropical Reef? I don't know. I'll find out what it is, and I'll make sure I put it in the text that goes with this post. Alrighty. We'll press these. Press these open and trim them up, and then we'll put them in their positions. Too much stuff here. It's funny how I feel clumsy with these bigger blocks after working with the smaller ones. But I thought it would be fun for you, and you can kind of see more of what I'm doing because the blocks are a little bit bigger. Basically, this week's just been a lot of repetition, sewing triangles and squares together. But that's good. It gives you good practice with the smaller triangles. Keep posting your finished blocks. I love seeing them. I try to find them and comment on them as much as I can. There we go. We have our 9 patch ready to go together. Honestly, I think that cutting these blocks out sometimes takes longer than sewing them. They're so easy to do. I think I'm getting down to the bottom of my bobbin. I've noticed that when my bobbin is low, I can hear a little more clanking. And I sound kind of clanky today. And you notice notice I switched from that yellow thread I used earlier this week. Got a nice neutral gray in right now. Alrighty, there she is, a nice 6.5-inch O block, all ready to join the rest of my collection. This is block 12, so I'll see you back tomorrow for block 13. Oh, hooray for the weekend. Are you ready for it? I am. See you tomorrow.